Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to fix Snapchat camera quality. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your mobile device. First thing you can do to make your camera quality better is to tap open the flash option. Sometimes taking your photo or video with a good lighting can help. The next thing you can do is go to your camera settings and fix the camera quality. To do so, first you have to exit Snapchat. Go to your mobile settings. Tap on the search bar and type in camera. Select camera settings. Enable the button next to high efficiency pictures and high efficiency videos. Doing this should fix the camera quality of both your photos and videos. And that's it. This is how you fix camera quality on your Snapchat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.